HSSMI's mission is to support sustainable manufacturing. We support companies on a strategic level, working on developing technology roadmaps for our customers, but also down to the tactical level, where we offer our skills and services to respond to direct and immediate challenges or opportunities the customers have.
We're here to challenge the status quo and push the boundaries of manufacturing to the next level.
The sector is going currently through huge disruption. So be that from digital transformation on the one side down to electrification and decarbonisation, and that resulted in really some big challenges.
Everyone's having to look at how they change the way that they work, and HSSMI was set up to offer a solution to some of those challenges and to see how, through our collaborative way of working, we can move the manufacturing sector forward. It's all services that directly respond to market challenges we've got at the moment.
Well, we're very excited about the future. There are a lot of great initiatives coming up which we'd like to make available for our partners.
Here at HSSMI we've got 4 different themes. We've got our virtual engineering team, our data analytics for resource efficiency, circular value chains, and also manufacturing new technologies.
We were very delighted to win this Future Manufacturing Award. It's very good to get this acknowledgement for all the work that we have done around collaborative robots.
I don't think there's any doubt in the industry that we're moving towards electric vehicles. The overall aim of the Electric Vehicle Powertrain School is to sort of collaborate with these OEMs and collaborate with these industry partners and deliver them training they really value.
A key part of our course is actually getting some hands-on experience with the components. We can take our course to our clients' facilities, or if they prefer, they can have them in one of our 3 offices where we can get full utilisation of our VR labs and some of our other technology we've got on site.
HSSMI is set up to help in all regions across the UK. The whole strategic priority of HSSMI is to base ourselves near our largest partners that we work with to help them and be on hand as best as we can.
It also gives us the opportunity to be engaged with the academics and the good quality of research that is happening across the 3 regions.
At Birmingham office, we've been focusing on digital twin modelling and simulation. This becomes very important as technology is moving very fast. Our customers are always coming with a challenge to us. We set up a VR and simulation lab, which people can come in, experience it. It's helping them to understand those value generation.
Last year we really took the big step forward in setting up the office in Scotland. 2 big focus areas for us have been in circular economy and in digital manufacturing.
I've been developing the circular economy readiness level. So it is a tool to help business to move toward the circular economy. And this is a triple win for everyone, for the environment, for the business and for the people.
DRL stands for Digital Readiness Levels, and this is a tool that we've developed together with members from academia, industry and government. The purpose of the DRL tool is to help manufacturers understand what digital technologies are right for them.
Future is something we look very much forward to. HSSMI tries to help and to support how can that adaptation take place and how can the new technologies be used.
Over the last few years, manufacturing has changed dramatically. We can bring people in and show them what it is that we do and demonstrate it directly.
These are exciting times that we are living in. I think, as one of the automotive CEOs has said, the next 5 years are going to bring in more change than the last 5 decades have brought in the industry.